Now the next question. Find the rank of the matrix A is equal to 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 4, minus 4, 5, 0. This is the given matrix. We have to find out an equivalent matrix using elementary transformation and find out the rank of that matrix. Okay. Here look at this, the first row, first element in the first row is 0. So we have to interchange any two rows or any two rows. Okay, we have to interchange 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 to make a non-zero element in the first position. So I am interchanging first and second rows. That is the first step. This is equivalent to minus 3, 0, minus 5, 0, 3, 2 and minus 4, 5, 0. And the transformation is R2 and R1. R1 is interchanged to R2. Okay. Now I am going to make this element as 1. Leading element must be 1. So we have to make this element as 1. For that we have to divide this row by minus 3. So this is equivalent to, I am going to divide this row by minus 3. So this becomes 1 and this becomes 0 and this term becomes 5 by 3. So the transformation is R1 gives R1 divided by minus 3. That is multiplying by minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now we have to write these two rows also, 0, 3, 2 and minus 4, 5, 0. Okay. Now what is the next step? Now the next step is the column, we have to make the column containing this one, all the elements in this column should be 0. So we have to change, this element is already 0. We have to make this element 0. Okay, for that we have to multiply this row by 4 and adding these two rows we get 0 here. So the next transformation is R3 gives R3 plus 4R1. Okay, which is equivalent to, I am writing the first row 1, 0, 5 by 3, 0, 3, 2 and we are going to make the transformation R3 gives R3 plus 4R1. Okay, so this element becomes 0 and here 5 plus 4R1, here it is 0, so 5 is here. And what is this element? 0 minus, we are multiplying this element by 4. So 4 into 5 by 3, that is 20 by 3. 0 minus 20 by 3, that is minus 0 plus 20 by 3. Okay. Now what is the next step? Next step is we have to make this 3 as 1. Now coming towards the second row. First row, we make this first row, first element 1 and the column containing this all becomes 0. So next we are coming to the second row. In the second row, this element is 3. We have to make this element as 1. For that we have to divide this row by 3. So which is equivalent to 1, 0, 5 by 3, 0, dividing by 3 we get 1, dividing by 3 we get 2 by 3. So the transformation is R2 gives R2 divided by 3. Okay. Now 0, 5, 20 by 3. Closing this and this is equivalent to, now what is the step? Next step is we have to make this 5 as 0. The elements below 1 must be 0. There is only one element 5. We have to make this element 0. For that we have to multiply this by 5 and subtracting with this we get 0. So 1, 0, 5 by 3, 0, 1, 2 by 3 and 0. What is the transformation we are going to do? Multiplying this by 5. So R3 gives R3 minus 5R2. Okay, so this becomes 0 and multiplying this term by 5 we get 5 into 2 becomes 10. So as 5 into 2 becomes 10, 10 by 3. So 20 minus 10 by 3. We get 10 by 3. Okay, now the next step. This is equivalent to. Now what is the next step? Here we make this element 0. Now coming towards this, the leading element is 10 by 3 and we have to make this element as 1. Okay, so 1, 0, 5 by 3, 0, 1, 2 by 3, 0, 0. How we make this element as 1? We have to multiply this row by 3 by 10. Okay, isn't it? 3 by 10. So multiplying by 3 by 10, we get 1 here. So R3 gives 3 by 10 into R3. Okay, so here R3 gives 3 by 10 R3. So multiplying this by 3 by 10, we get 1 here. So this is equal to 1. Okay. This is the row reduced echelon form. Here there is no element below this one, so we completed the reduction, and this is the row reduced echelon form, and this is equal to the matrix B. Rank of B is equal to rank of A, and rank of B is the number of non-zero rows, and the number of non-zero rows is 3. Yes, there is no zero row, all the rows containing non-zero element, so number of non-zero rows is 3. So rank of A is equal to rank of B is equal to 3. So this is the procedure for finding the rank of a matrix. Hope you all understand. See you in the next class. Thank you.